Everyone is fighting for Canada and Australia in 2026, but New Zealand quietly changed the game. If you've been searching for New Zealand Work Visa 2026, green list jobs, or move to New Zealand without an agent, this video is for you. No fluff, no motivation speech. This is a step-by-step relocation checklist that can realistically get you living and working in New Zealand by the end of 2026. Let's clear the biggest myth first. You do not move to New Zealand first. You secure the job first, and everything starts with the green list. Checklist item 1. Identify your green list tier. New Zealand's green list is split into 2 tiers. Tier 1, straight to residence. If your role is here, you may qualify for the direct residence visa. No waiting years, no temporary limbo. Tier 2, work to residence. You work in New Zealand for 24 months, then apply for residence. Most asked roles on this channel: nurses and healthcare workers, IT professionals, developers, cybersecurity, data, teachers and early childhood educators, engineers, and trades. If your role appears on either tier, you're already ahead of 80% of applicants. Checklist. Item 2. Fix your CV. This is non-negotiable. New Zealand does not use US-style or Canadian-style CVs. Common mistakes that get people rejected instantly. They are often too long. New Zealand CVs are usually just 2 pages. No professional summary. A wrong keyword structure fails ATS systems. NZ employers expect achievement-focused bullet points, a clear skills section, and a tailored cover letter for every job. If you want an ATS-friendly New Zealand CV and cover letter, you can contact us. We help viewers do this for a nominal cost. This alone dramatically increases interview calls. Checklist. Item 3. Use the right job portals. Stop wasting time on random sites. Top 3 job platforms New Zealand employers actually use: seek.co.nz, followed by Trade Me Jobs, and lastly, Indeed New Zealand. Pro tip: filter jobs by accredited employer whenever possible. Now let's talk visas. This is where most people get confused. Checklist item 4. Understand the AEWV, most common path. For 2026, the Accredited Employer Work Visa, AEWV, is the main gateway for most migrants. Here's the flow. Job offer, accredited employer, AEWV, residence, if eligible, checklist. Item 5. Verify employer accreditation, critical. Before accepting any job offer, check if the company is accredited. Use the official Immigration New Zealand accredited employer list. Always verify. Fake offers are increasing in 2026. No accreditation will mean no AEWV eligibility. Checklist. Item 6. NZQA skill assessment timing. If your qualification was earned outside New Zealand, you may need an NZQA assessment. This takes roughly around 8 to 12 weeks and should be started before or immediately after getting your job offer. Delaying NZQA is one of the top reasons visas get stuck. Checklist. Item 7. Medical and character documents you will need: medical exam from an approved panel doctor, police certificates from every country lived in 12 plus months. Biggest delay mistake: people apply for police certificates after lodging the visa. Do it early. Let's address the question everyone asks in the comments: how much money do I really need? Checklist item 8. Proof of funds for 2026. While requirements vary, a safe planning figure is around $4,200 to $6,000 per adult. Additional funds for dependents. This covers initial rent, food, transport, and emergencies. Checklist. Item 9. Open a bank account before arrival. Yes, you can start this from abroad. Steps. Choose a major New Zealand bank like ANZ, BNZ, Westpac, and Kiwi Bank. Apply online with your passport and visa. Activate fully after arrival. This allows you to get paid immediately once you start work. Checklist. Item 10. Apply for your IRD number as soon as you land. Your IRD tax number is mandatory to work legally. Apply online immediately after landing with your address and bank account. Remember that no IRD would mean no salary. This phase determines whether your move feels smooth or stressful. Checklist. Item 11. Accommodation. Quick start. Top rental platforms would include TradeMe Property and realestate.co.nz. New Zealand uses flatting heavily. Shared housing is normal, even for professionals. Expect bonds equal to 4 weeks' rent, and rent is to be paid weekly. Checklist. Item 12. Transport basics. Options include buying a used car, check WOF and registration, or using public transport in Auckland, Wellington, and Christchurch. Cars are affordable, but always inspect before buying. Checklist item 13. Build your network fast. Migration is easier with community support. Join expat Facebook groups, attend local meetups, and connect with colleagues beyond work. People who network early settle faster and earn more. Your New Zealand dream for 2026 is closer than you think. Drop a comment below with the one green list job you're applying for. I'll read every comment and pin the top 5 most in-demand roles. And don't miss my next video. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.